Yoo-hoo. You're not supposed to try and eat the door handle. And ringing them once is good enough. What do you think? Do you have to go out? You just want to go out and play? It's always hard to tell. Okay. All right, you want to go out? All right, hold on. Here we go. All right. He loves his potty bells. Okay, you going out? Or that was just because you felt like it? Okay, it was just because you felt like it. All right, put the cushions back on. It's finished raining. Okay, away he goes. Hey, I should teach you to ring the potty bells. What do you think? What do you think, Jack? Think that's a good idea? Just leave the door open. You can, oh, out you come too. All right. There you go. Everybody can go exploring. Oh, he's going to play with the cushions. All right, have fun, Brodie. Enjoy yourself, Jack.